Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Let's travel to Zaanse Schans from Amsterdam, which is one of the most popular tourist attractions of the Netherlands. Zaanse Schans is a neighborhood of Zaandam near Zandijk, Netherlands. It is best known for its collection of well-preserved historic windmills and houses. In this video, I am going to share our experience of visiting Zaanse Schans, tips for going from Amsterdam, and the highlights and attractions of this beautiful village. From Amsterdam city, we took the public transport to reach Amsterdam Central Station. From there, we took the guided tour as it is the most comfortable way to travel from Amsterdam to Zaanse Schans. And if you catch the train from Amsterdam's Central Station, it will take 15-minute train ride to Clog Zandijk, and it's a 10-minute walk from the station. The distance to travel from Amsterdam to Zaanse Schans is about 20 kilometers or 12.4 miles, and the average time taken is about 30 minutes. There are many other best ways to travel from Amsterdam to Zaanse Schans, that is by bus, by train, by car, by boat. The best time to visit is at the end of April. This is the time when the tulips are in full bloom and the spring season is on. Few tips that I would like to share when you visit to Zaanse Schans. Pack comfortable walking shoes for the trip to Zaanse Schans. Stick to the dedicated bike lanes and footpaths if you are walking or biking to Zaanse Schans. Experience a working windmill. These mills served various purposes back in the days, and some of these are still in operation. Visit the grocery and explore the museum dedicated to Dutch coffee. Go for a cheese tasting at the cheese factory. They have amazing variety of cheese to be tasted. If you wish, you could also be a part of a cheese making demonstration. Free clog making demonstrations take place regularly throughout the day, and the shop boasts the largest selection of clogs in all colors and sizes in the Netherlands. There are 6 or 7 windmills, oil, timber, spice, etc. in operation at the site. A visit to at least one of the windmills is not to be missed when visiting Zaanse Schans. If you are interested to see the complete demonstration of working of the windmill, please see the link in the description box. Each mill operates on different days and hours. So be sure to check the schedule if there is a specific mill you would like to visit. Don't miss the visit to Wooden Shoe Museum. The Clog workshop is open daily from 8:30 am to 5 pm. Wooden shoes or Dutch clogs are part of the heritage, but are only worn mostly in rural areas by farmers and gardeners because they are great for walking around on these swampy grounds. Dutch clogs are actually even certified by the European Union as a safety shoe because they can withstand sharp and heavy objects as well as concentrated acids.
Don't worry. With the machine it's only 5 minutes.
Complete demonstration link is provided in the description box. Now we are on our way in a ferry to the beautiful village Volendam. There is plenty to do all year round in Volendam, Holland's best known fishing village. Take a look in the handsome old harbour full of old Dutch ships and take a boat trip to Marken. Who doesn't love cheese? And free cheese is even better. The cheese farm conducts free cheese making demonstrations throughout the day and is open daily from 8 am to 6 pm. If you want to see the complete cheese making demonstration, the link is provided in the description box. Indulge in a Dutch pancake. What's so special about a Dutch pancake? Nearly 29 centimeters in diameter, they come in sweet and savory varieties and are eaten as a main course. The complete demonstration link is provided in the description box. Plan your lunch or dinner at the Volendam village. Being a fisherman's town, Volendam is well known for its Dutch seafood specialties. Visiting Zaanse Schans, Netherlands is a once-in-a-lifetime experience and best memories. If you like the video, please do share with your friends. Please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thank you for watching.